Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today is June 10th, and my fireworks ad from last year. A little, so let's get started. I live in Oregon, and I had to go buy my fireworks in Vancouver, Washington. I went in the morning. They're pretty cheap, but in the afternoon when I went, they're more expensive. So yeah. Hmm. Roman candles. 5 ball. Yeah, 5 ball. See, I got more 5 balls. Is a 6 pack. And I also have 6 pack right here. And I have some more Roman candles. Oh yeah, these were I think it was like $7. That was pretty cheap, kind of. Or no, wait, it was $5. Yeah, $5. Yeah, these were like $5 too, 5.50. I don't know, can't remember. Anyways, these are 10 ball Roman candles. Yeah, yeah, okay. Oh yeah, and I went to go get these. They're $5. But then in the afternoon when I went with my friends, they were like $6. And these were like $10. Pretty expensive. They got expensive. And these are pretty tight. Those were like $3. They're M45 tanks. Oh, now tank, because I had two, but I only have one. Pretty tight. Light on fire. It goes on the ground. Goes on the ground, and then it shoots missiles up in the air. Yeah. Next, I have. Oh yeah, that was. Yeah, I already told you, but next I have a Saturn missile. It's a battery 100 shot. That was like $5. And then when I came with my friends this afternoon, it was like $6, and they only had 80 battery shots. So yeah, I feel like I got a good deal on that. Yeah. Last last one I got are artillery shells. The cannon rounds. These were pretty cheap and very good. They were they were $1 each mortar, so it was $6. Yeah. So last year I think I had like 40, no, 50, and this year I'm gonna buy 200 fireworks of different type, and I'll show you all those on the 4th of July. Anyways, oh yeah, and last but not least, I bought these things. They were really cheap for like 75 cents. They were called twist sticks or something. Forgot. Anyways, you lit them on fire. They would do spins on the ground like, and then they would go shooting up in the sky. It was pretty tight. Me and my friends loved those. So it was like the name. I'm not sure if that's what it's called. But it's helpful. Anyways, thank you for watching. Keep my fireworks guys. Alright, peace. Well, I don't know. Fuck.